So it's officially Black Friday and Cyber Monday week over at HighLevel, and for this week only they have dropped some insane deals, and this is a bit of a shorter video than my usual videos, but I'm just going to go over exactly what they have to offer this week and why this is absolutely insane. And if you have been considering starting up on HighLevel or starting a white labeled SaaS business utilizing HighLevel, then now is the perfect chance. This opportunity only ever comes around once a year, so you want to act now. If you have been considering it at all, then you gotta literally jump in now. So we'll switch over to the computer, and as you can see, and I'll leave the link for this down in the description. It's gonna be the first link down there. It's gonna be the exact Black Friday 2023 offer. But as you can see, we got the Black Friday savings, limited time offer. As of now, there's 5 days and 8 hours left of this. So you do wanna act now. It will be a lot less time left by the time you see this. As you can see, they literally have 50% off every single one of the plans. So you got the 50% off the 97 a month, the 50% off the 297 a month, and the 50% off the 497 a month. And like I said, this offer is only valid for the next few days, but if you do get locked in at this price, it's for the next 3 months. So you literally save hundreds of dollars every single month. So if you did want to start a white labeled SaaS business and you wanted to jump on the 497 plan, you literally get 3 months of HighLevel for $248.50 every single month. Or if you wanted to jump on the 297 a month because you run an agency or you want to get into SaaS and you know, dabble in there a little bit, then you get 50% off the 297, 3 months of HighLevel for $148.50. This is literally insane. And like I said, it only comes around once a year. So if you do want to sign up for that, click on the first link down in the description. But what if you do if you're already an existing user of HighLevel? So these days right here, if you've never used HighLevel at all, if you're a brand new customer, but the second link down in the description will allow you for the existing customers to get a ton of great deals as well. So click on the second link down in the description. It'll take you to this exact page right here. And I'll explain in a second why you want to use that second link, but they've got scratch cards on here. If you just scratch this, congratulations, 40% off 1 year additional add-ons bundle, 10% off the 1 year pro plan, 16.66% off the 1 year unlimited plan, and we got 50% off for 3 months monthly add-on bundles, and we got the $200 off for 3 months pro plan. So say this one right here, if you're on the 297 plan for HighLevel and you do want to upgrade to the 497 plan, so you get the API access, you got automatic rebilling for SMS and emails and everything, or if you want to automatically create your client sub accounts for your SaaS business, well, you can claim this coupon right here. So you're paying $297 a month, you want to upgrade to the $497 a month, you can claim this right here, get on the $497 a month plan for only $297 a month. So you're going to be paying the exact same amount for the next 3 months, but you're able to get access to all the extra features that you'd get if you're on the 497 plan, which you are then on the 497 plan. But because of the massive discount, you're only paying the original $297 a month. So why should you actually do this? The main reason that you want to jump on this link, whether you are a new customer or you are an existing customer, if you're already an existing customer, click on that second link down in the description. This will give you access to a ton of extra resources from myself. If you've been following me for the last few months over on Instagram, and if you already aren't, then click on another link down in the description. It's my Instagram, and head over to the highlights reels on my profile. You'll see a ton of different student results. Once you sign up to any plan using the links down in the description of HighLevel, you get access to so many extra bonuses and resources directly from me. You get access to the Start Your SaaS course. This is the exact program that has taken a lot of students from literally zero to making their first 2, 4, even 6K every single month with their own SaaS business. You get access to the Insider Telegram community. This is where it all goes down. If you have any questions at all to do with your business or to do with SaaS or literally anything, you can literally just drop them straight into the chat. We do weekly coaching calls then as well every single Wednesday. So that's your opportunity to not only, network with all the other guys that's doing SaaS, but also get any questions that you have answered. We also do bi-weekly guest calls with a lot of massive people within the industry that's running huge SaaS businesses, huge agencies, usually people that make at least 100K a month. They all be on this call, and you're able to literally just unmute your mic and ask them questions. It doesn't matter what it is, you can get your questions answered. Without this, you never really have the opportunity to meet these high net worth individuals. So this is your chance now. You're not even paying me anything for this. You literally just got to use the HighLevel link down in the description. If you're a new user, go through the first link. If you are already an existing user of HighLevel, then go through the second link. Once you get signed up, do reach out to me over on Instagram. Let me know. I'll get things confirmed, be able to send you over all the extra bonuses bonuses and all the extra resources. Again, act fast on this offer. It's not going to last for very long. I'm looking forward to helping you absolutely explode your SaaS business, and we'll see you on the inside.